Hi, this is my home in the mountains. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Wishful thinking, right? But this is a story about an epic adventure.
Hi दोस्तों, welcome to my channel.
But wait, let me go back a little. So, a month ago, I came back from my Ladakh bike trip, and life resumed. Hello. And then I got a call for another bike trip to the mountains. And I thought, why not? It's time for another adventure.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So that's what I'm going to do this week. I'm packing my bags. I'm going to the mountains. ये तो definitely planned है कि मैं यहाँ से पहले शिमला जा रही हूँ. I don't think I've ever traveled to the mountains in November season, so that'll be interesting.
So, I have been to the mountains many times in my entire life, but I still feel like I haven't explored any of it. I have so much to see, so much to experience. And this time, my journey starts from Shimla. So, after taking a bus from Delhi to Shimla, I am going to explore Kinnaur Valley on the bike. First destination would be Sangla Valley, then we will explore Chitkul, and then we'll come back to Sangla towards Kalpa.
I loved you too long.
Once you taste adventure, it's impossible to go back. The quiet chaos of the unknown, the rush of wind against your face, the pull of places that exist far beyond the routine. It all becomes something you crave. It's not about escaping life anymore. It's about finding the parts of it that make you feel alive. So I ran away from one of the most populated cities in the world to here, Shimla. After having my morning chai in the mountains, breathing in the fresh morning air, I could feel it, my soul coming back to life already. And the excitement of starting this new journey, which could be the stories I tell in the future. I lost track of time while taking a stroll in Shimla's Mall Road. Then nikal gaya, and it's that time of the day. And as the sun dips lower, there's a sense of stillness, a feeling of belonging, as if the mountains themselves are welcoming me into their quiet embrace.
Like cold November rain, like a man without a name.
This is the kind of moment that stays with you. The kind you carry back into the noise of life. Out here, as the day melts into the night, it feels like anything is possible.
टाइम लगेगा ज़्यादा
Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारी बाइक रेडी हो रही है. We selected another bike first, but there was some issue in that, so अभी we are getting it changed. हमें already late हो गया निकलते time, but what to do? सही bike is the most important thing. यहाँ से हमें सबसे पहले जाना है सांगला वैली, but हमें लगता नहीं है कि हम पहुँच पाएंगे शाम तक. There's a calmness in me that I cannot find anywhere else. Out here, the weight of expectations fades. The doubts, the noise, they don't follow me into the hills. It's just me and the road ahead. I'm not rushing. I'm savoring every mile, every moment. Because this is what I've been missing.
Universe will change, but I'll feel the same. Thought that you should know.
When I decided for this trip, I knew it was going to be difficult since it's November. But now that I'm on the way, freezing winds on the bike in the mountains, I guess this is the adventure I wanted.
I see you.
So मैं नारकंडा पहुंच गई हूँ. कल मॉर्निंग में आई लीव फॉर सांगला. सो आज के लिए सिर्फ यहीं पे स्टे करना है, जस्ट टू स्लीप हियर.
चालू नहीं, यहाँ कोई गेस्ट हाउस नहीं है. ओके, ये तो बहुत महंगा है. ये तो 5,000 को बता रहा है. तो मैंने पूछा तो नहीं. वैसे भी 12 बजे तक भी नहीं रुकना. लिटरली कर देंगे.
हाँ,
ये
1200 कर दें.
1000 कर दो.
बात करते हैं. ठंड लगनी स्टार्ट हो गई है, तो वही वाला ले लेंगे जो अभी देख रहे थे, क्योंकि अब मैं कहाँ फ्री हूँ. हमने रूम ले लिया है नारकंडा. हेलो. I think I'm getting used to the bike trips to the mountains. अभी तो मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, but I'm sure यहाँ से व्यू सुबह would be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to see that. Wow, the singing bird. I could wake up to this view every day of my entire life. I just saved my camera from the monkeys. My camera was on time lapse in the balcony.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space.
Good morning everyone. So welcome to day, I don't know what day it is. So अभी मैं हूँ नारकंडा में and अभी सुबह के 8:30 बज रहे हैं. I saw the sunrise here and it was really beautiful. Although I wanted to capture more, लेकिन हमारे रूम में बंदर आ गया था, so I had to put my camera inside. नारकंडा as a stop is really good अगर आप किन्नौर वैली जा रहे हो. Even if you're going to Spiti. ये शिमला में 2 दिन रहने के बाद मैंने रियलाइज़ किया दैट वहाँ पे काफ़ी क्राउड होता है, ट्रैफिक की आवाज़ें आती है. इट्स नॉट दैट पीसफुल अगर आप थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेना चाहते हो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर जर्नी. यहाँ पे आके मुझे फाइनली माउंटेन्स वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू गो टू संगला वैली टुडे एंड हमें अराउंड 6 आवर्स लगेंगे. बिकॉज आई एम रेडी.
You looking so ready. इससे ज़्यादा ready हो ही नहीं सकता कोई. क्या ही रह गया अब. readiest girl ever.
आपको जेवरी से आपको बधाल, आपका यूटर्न आएगा पुआरी से। आपने पुआरी से फुल क्रॉस करके
पुआरी से यूटर्न लेना है।
यूटर्न क्या आप लेफ्ट साइड लेना है।
ओके।
I'm so goddamn naive. I keep coming back 'cause you're taking me high.
I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. I stick by them till
समला के रास्ते में मैं रुकी हूँ अब अंडा खाने के लिए। No, don't talk to me.
resting on the myth of old.
Waiting for अंडा।
All of the stories
पत्थरों के अंदर जड़े गई ना, इसकी तुरंत जकड़न है इसकी। इतना स्लाइड हुआ है इस साल हिमाचल में, इतना स्लाइड हुआ बहुत ज्यादा।
So road trip का number 1 rule ये है, something has to go wrong. So there we are. Our bike started having some issues. My theory is that this is a blessing in disguise. Have you ever heard about the burnt toast theory? Well, the theory is based on the idea that minor setbacks can protect you from bigger problems or lead to unexpected opportunities. I think it's that. So let's just call it an adventure and blame it on Kismet. And we are back on the road. It's so unfortunate that somewhere along the way the world was built to tether us to desks, to deadlines, to a routine that leaves little room for escape. Travel, they tell us, is a luxury, not a necessity. But what if it's the other way around? What if seeing the world was meant to be as vital as breathing? Instead, they force us to trade moments for money, and the horizon becomes a dream too distant to touch.
6 घंटे के रास्ते में कितनी देर होती है?
4 मिनट टीटा कितनी देर चले? 15 मिनट चले होंगे। थक गए बहुत चले।
नहीं भाई, no. It's a very scary रास्ता babe.
You're right. Around the corner is another day. Although I know
That's why every trip is an adventure and becomes an incredible part of my life that I will probably cherish forever, and I'll experience it as much as I can. So here I am, experiencing one of the most dangerous roads of Himachal Pradesh.
that free love. You want to heal the world, so now I am saving mine for us.
Adventure isn't just about the places you go, it's about the way it changes you. It teaches you to breathe deeper, to see clearer, to chase moments instead of deadlines. And once you've tasted that, the ordinary feels a little too small.
But I keep falling down. You know you make this so hard, but around the